Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get your Instagram account verified in seconds. It's very simple. Just follow this tutorial. Go on hackanything.club on your mobile device to get started to get that verified tag on Instagram. And I'm also going to show you guys proof this actually works and use it on my Instagram account. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this button that says get verified on Instagram. It'll give me that Instagram blue tick that we all know, and it's going to ask you to enter your username. So go ahead and enter your username, and then after that it's going to ask you to select the device you're on. So I am currently on an iPhone, so I can go ahead and select the iOS, and now I can go ahead and hit continue once I enter that information. Alright, here it's connecting to the server and establishing a connection to the Instagram database so it can inject the verification hack onto my account. So before I get this done, I will have to verify I'm a human. This way bots don't abuse this hack. And it's very simple to do the human verification. Go ahead and install 2 apps on this list and follow the instructions below each app to complete the human verification. So let's get started. Let's install our apps. The first app I'm going to install is VPN 360. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that app, and then we're going to go ahead and open the App Store to start the installation for that app. So as you can see here, I just hit go to App Store. It's going to bring me to the App Store, and then I can start installing this first app. So let's go ahead and wait for this to load and start downloading VPN 360. Okay, we're going to start downloading this app, and now we're going to go back to the list since you have to install 2 apps. And the second app I'm going to choose is Hotspot Shield VPN. And this is very simple because the instructions for both the apps I chose told me I just have to connect to the VPN. So now I'm going to wait for the installation of both apps to complete. Alright, now it's time to start the verification, so I'm going to go ahead and open up VPN 360, and the instructions for this app were very simple. It just told me to connect to the VPN. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to the VPN, and once I'm connected to the VPN, you have to make sure you're on each app for at least 30 seconds. So now that I've followed the instructions and completed them, I'm going to do human interactions on the app until that 30-second timer is up. Okay, so once I'm done with this app, I can go ahead and disconnect from the VPN. And now I'm going on to the next app, Hotspot Shield VPN. And here the instructions were the same. It told me to connect to the VPN. It's that simple, guys, to do the verification, so don't worry about how long it will take you. I'm showing you right here. It's literally taking me a minute to complete the human verification. So same thing, I'm connecting to the VPN, and then once I'm connected to the VPN, I'm going to continue doing human interactions on the app, so I make sure I hit that 30-second timer. And this is the last app I have to do to complete the human verification. So after this app is done, you will see on my screen, I will have a verified Instagram account. I will have that famous blue tick that all of the celebrities have on Instagram. I will have it myself. It's that easy, guys. Just continue watching this video so I can show you guys proof that this hack actually works. So make sure you follow the instructions of this video and you go on hackanything.club to get your blue tick, to get verified on Instagram. So let's go ahead and refresh the page, and I should have that blue tick since I completed the verification, and boom, now my Instagram account has successfully been verified. Okay, it's that simple, guys. Just follow the instructions of this video and enjoy having your Instagram account verified.